from
Temu. It's very, very big.
Oh yeah.
Let's open this. See, I'm curious.
Let's see what's in there. It's huge.
It feels like a
It could be
stuffed toy
anything.
or blanket or something plush.
Something big.
Okay, just tear it out. Oh, a hole in the side. Clothing.
And those Temu bags are awesome.
These
Because you can use them for like
this is
poop and litter boxes, all kinds of
oh
stuff.
my. This is a Halloweeny clothing.
I think it doesn't have the like.
Yeah, it does right there.
Oh yeah, I said it had that one thing.
A Halloween bag.
Oh wow, that is so cute.
That's cool.
That is really, really cute. Oh wow, and it feels like really silky smooth too. That is neat.
Clothing is thick.
Medulla.
What is this?
That is a really neat bag.
Open it.
And that's the inside. It's got like a zipper.
Black cat something. Black cat long
It
sleeve.
got punched in the head.
Long sleeve creature.
I don't know what's. I think it's like a.
Oh my gosh. That's the shirt.
That's the shirt.
And here are the tiny pants.
Tiny pants. Oh yeah, it's like a long sleeve. I could show you guys. I'll scooch. I'm not wearing the best to show, but they like have little cute paw prints on the side too. Look at that. It's like super cute. It's a black cat outfit. It is really, really cute.
What is this? What is? Here, I'll stand
Something
up.
fluffy.
Very fluffy. I think
It's
it's
fluffy.
a gray.
It's an outfit of fluff.
Here, I gotta. It says Moo Moo.
Momo?
Oh no! Yes, I'm cold.
Ah! That's funny.
Me, 24/7. Oh my.
Yes, I'm cold.
Here it is.
That's cute.
Very stretchy too.
And it's really soft.
And then here are the pants.
It's funny. It's very soft.
It's very stretchy material too. Okay, I'll stand up because I think I'll have to show a lot
I
of
keep
things.
almost getting punched in the face. And it's really
What is
cute.
this?
It looks like butterflies, maybe?
A bag!
Oh yeah, that looks so grandma's style, doesn't it?
She already has a bag though.
True.
Here's
The
this
butterflies.
butterfly bag.
It kind of matches her wallet. That's so funny.
Yeah, it does. So here's her butterfly bag.
It's too funny.
And then the last thing is this. Another outfit. This
They
is blue.
sent a lot of clothes, huh?
This is like a blue. Here are the pants.
Oh yeah.
They're a nice baby
It's
blue.
cute.
And then here is
And they're
the
super
shirts.
soft. Really
What
soft.
does this say? It doesn't say anything.
It says faith.
Oh, couldn't read that.
And now it's sideways. That's why I had to turn my head. Faith. It is really cute.
Yeah, it's a little blue sharp
Stretchy,
creature
like comfy winter.
thing.
Yeah, that is really cute. you
So
guys.
that was a full Temu haul.
So that's a lot of clothes.
Yep.
Bags, kind of all fashion stuff, I
Yeah.
would say. So
A fashion.
that is really cool. Their quality is quite impressive on clothes. I would say it's
Yeah.
very, very soft.
Very.
So that is neat.
I like it.
Yeah, you're wearing a Temu dress, I
Yes.
think, right?
Yes, Temu dress. We're wearing Temu
Temu.
headbands.
We Temu hard.
Yes.
That's funny. So funny.
Not wearing a Temu lip gloss though.
True, me neither. Usually I wear a Temu makeup. So that is crazy.
Yep.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the mystery haul. I thought it was really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe.
Go Shih Tzu Army.
Bye.
Bye.